What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Android phone to identify colors. So go ahead and open up your camera guys, and once your camera is open you want to go ahead and click on more. Then from here on the upper left hand side you will see a little eye. Click on it and you want to look for a color identifier.
Dark gray, black.
Right, let me try it at the
Black.
bottom here.
Dark gray, purplish blue.
All right.
Black.
And there you have it guys. It doesn't matter what you put in the camera, it will start to identify the colors for you. And that's it. That's how easy it is. So you want to switch the color detector and you'll be able to detect your colors. And there's much more there to see. There is also the option to see the text reader. There's also object
Speaker.
There's also object identifier. There's also scene describer, wine, and even discovery. Very easy and very simple. Some of these you just need to go ahead and take a picture, but for the most part, if you want to, let's say, have it speak, you can just go ahead and use that option. But that's how you easily go ahead, guys, and use it.
Dark gray.